beautiful, amazing crochet family. I am your one and your only Lady of Crochet, Lady Simone, and we have a fun Friday video for you today. I am so excited, as always, to show you the things that I've created this week. But also, I have an unboxing that we are going to unbox together because I did a little reel earlier this week, and when the hook came in, I'm like, how am I even going to go about not being able to open this hook? So I was just like, let's do a little fun reel, and they'll have to wait with me. So that was what that was all about. I'm super excited, guys. So let's get going. This week, I really did not crochet as much as I crocheted in my mind. Let that sink in. In my mind, I had so many different projects that I wanted to create, but the thing was, I'm like, excuse the glare on my glasses, y'all, but the thing was, I was sitting there like thinking I had more time than I actually did, but even though I wanted to create more projects, I wasn't really as inspired to pick up the hook as much as I was inspired to think about the things I wanted to crochet. And I know that can sound a little bit like, but I want y'all to let me know in the comments below. Do y'all have moments to where you can think of so many projects you want to do, but you just, you know, it's like more so you're mentally crocheting versus physically crocheting, because the days seem like they're like this right here. And I'm like, by the end of the day, that morning I set a goal. By the end of the day, I'm just like, yeah, you know, I may try to pick that up later. At least that's how it goes for me. That's, you know, but it's okay. Because like I always say, I'm not hard on myself. So I'm not, you know, it is what it is. But I did create two things this week. I'm going to show you that. I did a simple beanie, and this is the short form of the simple beanie. And this is an all double crochet beanie. And I really, really love this beanie because the stitches, it just kind of like shows in that, like, the stitching just looks so good to me, and I really, really love that about this beanie. And the classic basic beanie, you cannot go wrong with a classic basic beanie. Now, the story behind this beanie is that this beanie is for someone who is very, very special, who is going through chemotherapy. So they would, I'm not sure if she lost her hair yet, or, you know, is in the process of falling out. But she's a friend of my husband's, a mom to a friend of my husband. So I was super excited. I put a lot of love in this beanie, and that's what I made the longer version of the beanie for. I just kind of folded, but what I did was unfold it like this here, and you can make it kind of like, I guess it could be kind of like a slouchy beanie if she wanted to wear it a little slouchy, or she could have keep the fold. And then, because I know usually inside of the room where they get chemotherapy, the hospital period is usually cold. So I think this would be really good for her sitting in there. And I know it's cold because I had to sit in there probably a couple of times with my husband when he went through it some years ago. So I think this is like very, very good to keep her head warm. And I also did a ribbed beanie, but I already showed that on my channel. I did that, and I'm going to be gifting her that as well. So she has 3 to choose from, the rib and then these 2. And I just thought that the colors were bright, the colors were beautiful, and I just wanted to add a little Lady Simone love to her day. So I'm excited for her to receive these beanies. So those are my 2 projects that I did this week. I wanted to do some amigurumi this week, but yeah, I did not get my amigurumi done. I wanted to like test some waters with some stuff, but I didn't get to it. But it's okay, because I'm going to get to it. It is what it is. But now let's talk about this. Okay. I'm going to put all the details in the descriptions for this, y'all. Let me tell y'all about this. So I follow her on Instagram, and this is Love Stitches All resin crochet hooks. Y'all, her crochet hooks are beautiful. She has like a standard, I think it's like, oh, I don't want to say the wrong number, a standard number of hooks that she, of designs for the hooks that she used, and each week she pours a different design. So I got in on one of these And this is a hook. This was probably like a little while ago that I ordered it, and it just came in, which is fine because on the website it'll tell you she is a one-woman show and she gets them out and she has the time. Everything is very professional, very nice. So you know it's going to take a little minute, but guess what? I'm pretty sure it's worth the wait because the way they look online is gorgeous. Now, this is the thing, guys. This is my first time ordering from her, but she is releasing in tomorrow, which is April. This week coming up, next week coming up, I'm sorry, she's going to be releasing a interchangeable option for her hooks. I have my alarm set and everything, and I'm like, yo, this is going to be the one that I really, really want. So I'm excited for that. But let's check this out and see what's in here, guys. So I got my scissors because I was going to pre-open it like and just not look at it, but I was like, you know what, let's do the whole thing on here. Let's just open it up and let's see what is inside together. How about that? From the scissors cutting to everything. All right. So it comes in this cute little box. Look at that. And it has her logo on there. Love Stitches All. And like I said, y'all have to, I'm going to put all the information down below. Y'all have to follow her on Etsy and everything. And I have a, okay, so this tells you about the care instructions and different things for your crochet resin hook, which is pretty cool. Let's see what I got. Whoa. Ooh. I don't even know the name of the hook design that I got, y'all. Look. Okay, it is sprinkles. Look. Okay. It's sprinkles. I got the sprinkles kind, and I did get it in a 6mm hook. OMG. Oh, that's beautiful. That is so beautiful, y'all. Oh my goodness. Look at that. That is beautiful. And I do love this handle. Like I said, I don't know what the name of this handle is, but she has like, if I'm not mistaken, I think it's like 5 different handles, but it's a number of different handles that she has on her site that you can choose from when you actually order for the hook drops. And like I said, she dropped every Friday. So I can't remember the time that she dropped every Friday, but check the website out. She drops every Friday and it's different designs on those days. But this hook size is a 6mm, and this is the sprinkle and caps resin that she did, and I absolutely love it. Now, like I said, she has a drop coming up next week for the interchangeable thing. It's like she make your choice of whichever design for the resin hook that you want, and you can interchange these, and it's like a set of like I forgot how many number of interchangeable things that you get in the set, but man, and then it's like, it's a whole thing. You got to check it out because if you're interested in it, I'm telling you, I am so interested. I'm so excited about that. And I'm like, listen, I got to get my hands on one of those interchangeable hooks because she doesn't do drops for them all the time. So this is like kind of like one of those special things every once in a while that she do them. So like I said, she is a one-woman show from what I've read online. So I respect, you know, small businesses and just people who are following their passion and making beautiful items and being artists in so many different ways. And this is a piece of art, and I'm so excited to add it to my collection, but I'm so excited to even use it, y'all. This is beautiful. The sprinkles, I'm gonna show y'all one more time. The sprinkles is just like, look at that. So much like happiness in that hook. So much happiness in this hook, y'all. So I want y'all to let me know in the comments below, what is your favorite crochet hook that you have in your collection? And if you have any other crochet hooks that you suggest that I can try, because I am a crochet hook girl. I'm looking on the side because like I got my my nice little cup right here filled with them. Plus I have, which I can't hook. Let me see if I can, because I got like a Dollar Tree thing as well. Let me show y'all a little piece of my happiness. Look at that. I got them all, which, y'all, I have them sitting on my desk. And it's like, you can't help but smile looking at all that gorgeousness right there. So let me know what y'all think about the hook. I have all the details for everything down below. And I hope that y'all have yourselves an amazing weekend. I hope that y'all day went just as beautiful as you are, as always. Yes, because my day went well. It went really, really good. And don't be so hard on yourself. Don't be so hard on yourself. You know, every day that we wake up is another day to do what it is that maybe we missed out on doing yesterday, or it wasn't our time to do it yesterday. So don't be so hard on yourself. It's okay. Look at all the things that I mentally crocheted. I'm telling you, they're going to come out in the physical, and I understand that. So I'm not hard on myself. It is what it is. I am here. I am happy, alive, and listen, I get to hang out and talk to y'all. So let me know what y'all think about this beautiful crochet hook. And as always, y'all, I am your one and your only Lady of Crochet, Lady Simone. I will see you next time.